Hello, good morning my dear students. Let's start our online mathematics class. Open your book, page number 93. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter 7, decimal numbers. An introduction to the decimal system. We have studied the place value chart in the lesson large numbers. The smallest place value we have learned so far is ones. Yes, ones is the smallest place, but we have also learned numbers which are smaller than 1, the fractions. To accommodate the fractions, we need to extend the place value system beyond 1, that is to the right. Here you see different places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So which place will come after ones? Page number 94. Here you see after ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, these places will come. This part is called whole number part and this part is called fractional part. So in this way we can have fractional places as tens, hundreds, thousands and so on. The special fraction with the denominators 10, 100, 1000 etc. are called the decimal fractions. Example, you see 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. So these are decimal fractions. To separate the whole number part from the fraction part, we put a decimal point. To separate the whole number part and fractional part, we put a dot or we put a point. So it is called decimal point. Then writing a decimal number. How can you write a decimal number? It is more convenient to write a decimal fraction as a decimal number. Example 3. Write decimal fraction 4 by 10 and 7 by 100 as decimal numbers. 4 by 10. It is a decimal fraction. How can you write in decimal numbers? First you see denominator. How many zeros are there? Only 1. So before one number you put point. Before one number you put point. Then 7 by 100. Here we have 2 zeros in denominator, but we have only one number. So before 7 you write 0. Okay, 7 0. Now it is 2 numbers, 2 digit number. So before 2 number you put decimal point. Okay. The next, when there is no whole number part, we write it as 0. There is no whole number part, yes or no? So you write 0. 0. So it is your full answer or right answer. Okay. The next, writing mixed decimal fraction as decimal numbers. How can you write a decimal fractions as decimal numbers? One example, suppose 12 whole 5 by 10. 12 whole 5 by 10. First you write 12, then only 1 0 in denominator, so before one number you put dot. So your answer is 12.5. Then one more example, 17.21 by 1000 suppose. Here you see 3 0 in denominator, but here we have only 2 numbers, so before 2 number you write 0. Now it is 3 digits number, so before 3 number you put dot. Okay, 0 2 1 point 17 whole and 17 whole point 0 2 1. So it is your right answer. Then example 6, you see, write the following as decimal fractions. These numbers are in decimal numbers. So how can you convert it into decimal fractions? Here you see 0, 3, 8, 5. After point, decimal point, how many numbers are there? 3 numbers. So 3, 8, 5 by 1, 000. Then 0.69. 69 by after decimal point, how many digits are there? 2. So 100 or 100. Then example 7. The number names can be expressed in decimal form as follows. 3.5. Simply it is 3.5. But one more example, 39 tenths. 39 tenths means 39 by 10. So how can you write 39 tenths? Before one number you put dot. 3.9. Okay. Then example 8. The decimal numbers can be written in words as follows. 0.08, 1 her, B 1 her, 65 hundredths, and it is 39 and 61 tenths, hundreds, thousands. So 61 thousandths, and it is 10 and 5 tenths, and it is only 11 tenths, hundreds, thousands. So 11 thousandths. Okay. So dear my students, today your homework is 7.1. Thank you my dear students.